Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to kind of be like a day in the life vlog. I'm just going to let you guys spend the day with me and just film what I'm doing throughout the day. I may also film tomorrow as well. It's currently almost 9 a.m. I did a little workout this morning and then I just got done washing my hair. Usually I do both of those things in the evening, but this evening we are going to be taking family pictures. So I wanted to go ahead and get that done here this morning. So like I said, I just got done washing my hair and I used Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, and Function of Beauty is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. So about 6 months ago, I bought Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner with my own money. I'd heard somebody else talk about it and how great it was, so I wanted to give it a try and I loved it. So last month when Function of Beauty reached out to me and wanted to work with me and sponsor one of my YouTube videos, I said yes because I had already tried their shampoo and conditioner and I loved it. So that worked out perfect. So what I love about Function of Beauty is that the shampoo and conditioner are custom to you. So to create your custom shampoo and conditioner, you just fill out a 2-minute quiz outlining your hair type, hair goals, personalized preferences, and then you choose your color and your fragrance. And their shampoos and conditioners have no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free. I just love how their products make my hair look and feel. I haven't combed it out yet, but it feels so soft. They also sent over some little hair serum that I'm gonna put in my hair here before I comb it out. They also sent a hair mask. The shampoo and conditioner do come with pumps, so you can either put a pump on it or just leave it to pour it out onto your hand. They also have really cute little travel containers for you to purchase that you can put like your shampoo, conditioner, body wash in. So I highly recommend Function of Beauty products. I love what it does to my hair, and you guys can click the link down below and get 20% off your first order, so make sure that you go and give it a try. And thank you again to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so it's Friday morning when I filmed this, and if you watched my morning routine, I had said that I'm going to start making it a tradition that I go down to the little coffee shop on Friday, and we have to go out and run errands. We got to run to Walmart anyway, so we are just going to head down to the coffee shop, get some coffee, and then head and run our errands. After we run to Walmart, I have to come back home, cut the boys' hair because we have family pictures this afternoon, so I have to start getting ready for that. So it's going to be a very busy day. Just got out of the coffee shop and I got this amazing looking caramel latte. And then also I'm trying a cranberry scone. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so this looks so good. Okay, so this is everything that we've got so far. Granola bars, got some cheese, jelly, coffee. Made it back home and I'm getting ready to cut the boys' hair. We need to leave for these family pictures in like 2.5 hours. I don't know why I saved cutting their hair to the last minute, but hopefully I can do this quickly. So after I washed my hair, while it was still a little bit damp, I put it in French braids as you saw, and then this is what you are left with, all of these waves. I'm trying to get my hair fixed for family pictures, but I just thought I'd show you guys if you do French braids while your hair is damp, you will get wavy hair. Hello everyone, so it is the next day now. Last night we went and took family pictures, and then we spent the rest of the evening at my mother-in-law's house with family. So now today it is Saturday morning, and my goal for today is to get this house cleaned up because on Monday we are heading on another snowboarding trip for a few days. My husband has to work today, so while he's at work, I'm gonna clean up the house, and hopefully this little cleaning session here can be motivating for you guys. Okay, the kitchen is clean, and the next thing that I need to get done is to quickly clean out this fridge, just go through everything and see what we need to use up and get rid of, get it a little better organized. I'm gonna head out to the truck and get that cleaned out before we leave to go snowboarding on Monday. The truck is just like a disaster. It's been forever since I've cleaned it out. It just needs a good deep cleaning inside. Everything needs taken out. It needs wiped down, vacuumed. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is to vacuum, and I'm using this one. I'll put a link for it down below. Got the attachments out here in case I need them. Okay, I just got done cleaning out the truck and I am exhausted. That truck was such a mess, and yeah, it was a lot bigger job than I thought it was going to be. So I just got in from going on a little walk with the boys. It's such a beautiful warm day and I just needed to get outside for a little while, and now the boys are in the backyard playing. So while they're back there playing and they're happy, I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit of food here. I have to make a hot and a cold dish for tomorrow. We're getting together with some family and each of us girls are going to bring a hot and a cold dish. We're going to do like a potluck. I wanted to make some tea to go with our supper, but I let the water get way too hot. So for my sweet tea, I just used regular Lipton tea bags, and for a whole gallon, I do about like 12 of these little tea bags. Just let that steep for a little bit, and then we'll pour it in the jug. Okay, so the tea is done. I put the steep tea in the water jug with some more tea and also a bunch of ice to cool it off. And usually I mix in 3/4 cup of white sugar, but this time I wanted to make it a little bit healthier, not put any sugar in it. Just did a 1/2 cup of honey. It's not that sweet, but it's still really good. I love lemon in tea. Okay, so it's 5:30 and I'm getting ready to make supper, so I'm just gonna end this video here, but first I'll show you what I'm making for supper. It's Saturday night, so I wanted something easy and yummy. So I get these Kroger brand pizza crust mix at Fry's. I think they're like 50 cents each, and all you have to do is add water to it, knead it out into the pan, and then you add the sauce and the cheese, put it in the oven. It's super easy and it tastes really good, like homemade pizza. So I hope that you enjoyed this little vlog style video. Sorry if it was all over the place. Life has just been crazy lately. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple of days with a new video. Bye!